okay. Should be close. 245th, you should be able to. We got here on the highway though. Kind of line of, huh? That should be line of sight. We should be okay. We're going by omens right now. There's a 2-car, we believe a 1 or 2 car wreck down on 245th. I'm here at the shop. We're going to see if we can't fly down there and see what's going on. Okay, we should be about line of sight right here. We're just getting around the corner. Huh? We're at 1,600 feet. You said it was right at 245th? Right above the trees. I see the traffic jam going on down there. Oh, we're getting close to them trees, aren't we? Woo! Okay, let's see what we got down here. Get back over to the right a little bit. We got the ladder truck in the middle of the road. So what we got? There's, oh, it's like a 2-car wreck, maybe. Huh? Well, we got 1 car there. And is the other one wrecked too? Yeah, it sure looks like it. Yeah, it looks like the fender's smashed up. We'll get turned around and take a look at it. We'll get around. We're going to drop her down. Let's see what we got here. Back up a little bit. Drop. I'm going to back up some. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's all smashed up. Holy smoly. It's all smacked up. Okay, we're going to drop down. We're at 100. Oh. You think that's a 3-car?
I think that light one's blocking.
No, it's wrecked. You think so? Yeah, that one's blocking traffic. So we're going to drop down a little bit. Oh, they're working on somebody still. They got somebody on the ground there. They're working on somebody. We're at 118 feet. 100 feet right there. I don't want to get closer now, bug anybody. I can't tell if what they're doing there, but it looks like they've got 1 patient on the right hand side that they're working on. I bet somebody pulled out of that side street and somebody was passing. What do you bet? So we'll wait for a call on that one. And well, that car's really smacked up. That one's okay. Okay, so we're gonna bring her back. I gotta get some elevation and you gonna wait for the wreck? So we're bringing it back. Going by omens right now. Anyway. It gets dark.
That's fine, yeah, no problem. Go ahead and look at what you got to look at. Just don't look at anything.
Lady in that white car, just as good as that.
And then, who's the guy that's in the car with her, do you know?
I don't know, she had somebody with her.
She had somebody with her.
Her?
Yes, there were 2 people in that car. But I don't know who he is. I'll just take them. Yes, sir.
Messed up. Thank goodness they had
airbags. Very fortunate. Very, very fortunate. And it looks like the Jeep possibly turned right in front of him. It completely destroyed that. There's a white car is going northbound and the Jeep took a left turn in front of it.